See, they got some comb being drawn out right on the top here. You can just see it in here in the hole, the top cover, which means it's going to be a little bit messy in here. Oh yeah, this is a nice full hive, but look at this. It's a bit of a mess of drone comb, I think, up at the top. I have to take that off before I put the cover back on. Wow. It's a very full hive, this one. We're building some comb on the side here that I'm not so happy about. Yeah, look at that. Lots and lots of brood on there. Lots of pollen and some drone comb in there as well. So this is Hive 3, and it's a new package also, so it's been here about 6 weeks. It's not as strong as the other one I just looked at, but it's still getting there. So I'm just going to give it a little check over. I am feeding them as well, so they've got lots of sugar syrup. Oh, and this is the one I have a few medium frames in because I didn't have any deep frames that were drawn out. So I wanted them to have a quick place to put the nectar. So yeah, they're filling that one full of nectar. It's looking good. Lots of drone comb, some larvae in there. It's a little interesting pattern for them to be making in there. I'm just a new beekeeper. This is my 3rd year. So one of my hives successfully, one of the 2, successfully overwintered, and then I just purchased 2 more packages. So there's some honey on the left side here, some drone comb, a little bit of drone comb in there, and some brood, capped brood and larvae. So it's looking nice. And here again, some capped brood as well, with some nectar and pollen in on the side. So that's looking nice. It's nice and heavy as well. When you put the frames in, you don't want to go too fast or too jerky, and you don't want to roll the bees, so they get a little annoyed if you do that. So just slow and gentle is the name of the game with bees. Oh yeah, look at these guys are doing good. Lots of capped brood in there as well, and you can see some larvae. It's looking nice. So the queen's been doing a nice job. Yeah, looking good. Pretty pleased with both of these new packages and how well they've grown over the last few weeks. There's the queen. She's right there. She's not marked, so she's just right there. So they're looking nice. Pretty pleased with them. And I'm just going to keep feeding them. They've got lots of room in here to grow. And our blackberry nectar flow isn't for quite some time, so they've got quite a few weeks to build up.